I've been grounded since 2018. What did I miss? I don't have a chair. And I'm eating cereal. Some cereal. But I don't have a chair. Oh yeah, and we're taking care of a bird. You want to see? Watch. Okay. I'm outside. We have to keep it outside because it's like pooping everywhere. So, but he's really cute. Okay. Here he is. See YouTube? See y'all? He damaged his wing. I'm gonna try and unwrap him. Look, he damaged the wing and he hit our window really hard. Look, so he damaged his wing right here. And he hit our window like super hard. Oopsies, sorry buddy. But he's okay for the most part. I will tell y'all if he makes it out alive. I don't really know, but he looks fine right now, so right now I'm just petting him. I'm gonna give him some water, so hold on. Where'd the capsule go? There it is. Okay. I'm gonna let you. Okay, I'm gonna try and move it. Okay, so I'm gonna go fill this up with water. Okay, I have a pool, so I'm already back. But here you go. Okay, I don't think he wants any more. Let me suck up this water. Oh, you want some more? Okay, let me just yoink. Okay. I don't think he wants any more, so I just spit out this water like so. Papa, bye-bye. And then put that right there. And just let the bird chill. Alright. Bye, guys.